Hello guys, in this video let's check out the Gear 4 Orlando iPad 10.2-inch case. Now this is a rugged case which is a drop protection case, and you can see this is also kids friendly, and a lot of kids use iPads and the case is much better for them as the iPad would be protected with this case. So you can see it's written ages 4 plus, soft kid friendly material, multi-angle kickstand, versatile arms for carrying and hanging, and it's powered by D30. It's also written at 6.5 feet or 2 meters drop protection, and it's given some military standard 810G, I suppose. So here are some more features given: durable lightweight tablet case with adjustable arms, and D30 is proven to protect sports, motorcycle, industrial, military, electronics, etc. And here it gives more information. Triple flex is an IMTRO antimicrobial coating with properties built to protect your case coating from inhibiting the growth and odor causing bacteria and guarding against degradation of microorganisms. So this is the Gear 4. It seems limited lifetime warranty. Let us open this and check this out. So inside the box, this is what we get. Here is the case. It's in blue color, looks quite nice. To the rear side, if you see, you can see it has a nice logo like sunglasses and a smiley face. So it's in Gear 4 here and protected by D30. Here's the camera cutout, etc. And these are the arms. The case is not that heavy as it looks like. It's but made of really good material and would hold your iPad pretty strong. So here is the mesh-like material. If I press this, it feels like it's some kind of mesh when I'm pressing this. Although it's hard, but it's pressable, and material quality looks really good here. So let us put the iPad inside and see how does it look like. So currently I'm using the flap case for iPad. So now I have to carefully put this inside like this, slide it in perfectly fine, slowly. I have now fitted the iPad inside this, and you can see it is pretty good. Although this feels quite heavy right now, but it's good considering the fact that kids can use it anytime. So if you're a person who watches a lot of movie and etc., this would be really great to consume any content on iPad. You can see this stand is quite stable here. If I turn this for you, you can see it is quite stable. So even if I take one hand up, it still works pretty fine, and this is pretty good for just taking it off and just carrying. So kids can just hold this and carry, and it works absolutely fine. Or kids can use easily to carry this, so they can carry it like this, or they can carry it like this, hold both of the hands and carry it like this. So yeah, this looks pretty cool. So you can tilt it to however direction, whatever direction you like. So you can just tilt it like this to however direction you like. So this will be a great piece of product if you like consuming a lot of content on an iPad. You can just put this in your desk and it will just sit like that. It's quite good. Or if your kid has an iPad, definitely give this case to them because it will protect the iPad from any scratch or any kind of damage. So if you look at the ports, you can see here we have the power button, the camera. Here we have the volume rocker buttons. Here I suppose we do have microphone, the 3.5mm headphone jack, and the charging port is here. So guys, that was a quick video on the Orlando case for iPad 7th, 8th, 9th Gen, which is basically 10.2-inch screen. So if you're interested in purchasing the same, a link to same in the description. From here you can go and buy it. So thanks a lot for watching guys. I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.